Welcome back to another Two Spanners tutorial. Today we're removing the Tiguan door mirror. So for this you will need to remove your door card, which I've already done, as I've done two tutorials on that, on the door handle and door card. You will need an extension, a ratchet, and obviously a multi-spline, which is an M10, to remove your door mirror bolt, and just a trim tool. So we're going to remove the plug first, which is two of them. On this one you just pull the red tab out first, then push in the little pin and just pull towards you. This one here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, I'll try and get on it. It's got a little tab just here, you just want to pull that down and then pull the plug out towards you. Then use your trim tool, pop that out, pull your grommet out the way. In there you'll see your M10 bolt. Which is now removed. So it can be a little bit tricky because this rubber grommet will get caught in the hole just up here. So just be careful when you're feeding it through so you don't rip your plugs off or anything. But that is literally all you need to do, is just undo that one bolt, undo your two plugs, and you're sorted. So thank you for following another Two Spanners tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Everything helps. Take care. Thank you very much.